Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines which are then capable of performing tasks that typically requires human intelligence. In simple words, we can say that AI enables machines to simulate human behaviors and thinking. AI can be used for making intelligent decisions. Now, when we have understood what is artificial intelligence, let's understand what is data science. Data science is a multidisciplinary approach which study data to extract meaningful insights from the data for some business applications. Data science is an approach which combines principles and practices from the fields of mathematics, statistics, artificial intelligence, and computer engineering. And the goal is to analyze large amount of data for meaningful insights and decision making. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that empowers computers to learn from data. And with learning from the data, it improves their performance over time without explicit programming. So this makes machine learning to enable machines and computers to analyze and interpret complex patterns in the data, which enables it to make predictions and decisions based on their data. Some real-life examples of machine learning can be image recognition. An example of these models can be image classification and object detection models. Another example can be personalized recommendation systems. For instance, e-commerce platforms such as Amazon and streaming services such as Netflix use machine learning to provide personalized recommendation based on the user's browsing history, preferences, and similar user profile. Another example can be speech recognition, and most known examples can be Siri and Alexa. Fraud detection can be another example of real-life machine learning application, and this is a hot topic of research. For instance, machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amount of data from financial transactions to identify patterns and anomalies. Thus, it can help to detect and prevent fraudulent activities and behaviors. Another very emerging example can be autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars usually rely on machine learning to pursue the environment, analyze sensors data, and make real-time decisions to ensure safe and efficient navigation. In summary, we can say that machine learning is transforming various industries, enhancing efficiency, revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, and machine learning continue to advance the possibilities for innovations in automation, thus shaping a future where intelligent machines work hand in hand with humans.